Hello, here I'm telling you about the strings. I will give you the introduction to the string, not all the things. So here, whatever the thing which is enclosed within a double quotation or a single quotation, then we can call that as a string in Python programming language, right? Whatever the thing is, either it is an integer data type, either it is a float data type, either it is a characters, whatever the thing, which is enclosed within a single quotation or a double quotation, then we can call that as a string. So here I have shown some kind of examples to you. These are the examples for the string, and whatever it may be, you can call those things as strings. Now we can find the difference. You may get doubt here, like what is the difference between a single double quotation and triple double quotations? There is a lot of difference between triple double quotations and double quotations. The difference is we use these triple double quotations just for the commenting purpose, and we don't use these quotations for the commenting purpose. That is a data type, and this is for commenting purpose. If you want to comment multiple lines, then only we will use this triple double quotations. And also one more advantage is there, where how you have specified a string within this triple double quotations or a triple single quotations. If you want to print the string same as like this, at that moment also you can use this triple double quotations. It is not possible to print the string as it is with this double quotation. So this is the major difference between this double quotation and triple double quotation.